From the last video, what we're going to do, we're going to add several more conditions to our data here. The first thing we have to do, again, I'm going to actually try to affect the entire block of numbers here. So I'm selecting what I want to affect, and I click on then Format, like we did before, Format, Conditional Formatting, and here is the test that we had last time. So any cell that has a value greater than 5,000 will then turn dark green and have white lettering on it. So we're going to add another condition to it. Let's just move this up so you'll be able to see everything. To add a condition, to add another test, you simply click the button that says Add. This gives us a new set of conditions. And here I'm going to say if the cell value is between 0 and 5,000, then I want it to change. I'm going to say I want it to change light blue, like I have our heading here. So I'll go down to where it has light blue. Let's move this up here so you can see where everything is here. Change it to light blue. I'll click OK because this is what I want. And it shows my my preview of what the condition will look like. I actually want to add a third condition though now, so I'm going to hit Add again. And I'm going to say that if anything is less than 0, if anything is negative, all right, I want that to be, I want that to turn red with a yellow background. So I'm going to say first for patterns. Remember, I had to click the Format button here to get to this dialog box. I'm going to choose yellow, and then I'll go over to my font, and I'll choose red because I really want this to stand out. Click OK. This is really going to stand out then. And now I'm going to, these are all the tests that I want. I'm going to click OK, and let's see what happens to my spreadsheet. Ooh. All right, so everything that was that actually was between 0 and 5,000 turned blue. Now this included those cells that actually had nothing in them, and that tells us that anytime you have a blank cell, a cell that's totally empty, it is considered to have a value of 0. So I don't want that. So I'm just going to go into this section here, and I'm going to actually get rid of that test because it really is not necessary. So I click on Format, go back to Conditional Formatting, and since absolutely nothing is in that cell, since nothing is actually used for those cells, I'm going to get rid of all three values. So how do I do this? I've got three conditions here. I click on Delete, and I can get rid of any combination of the conditions I've set. I actually want to get rid of all three of them, so I'll just click all three. Click OK. I have no formatting now. I have no tests set up now. I click OK, and this entire thing changes to white once more. Always make sure to double check your conditions if the spreadsheet does not quite look the way that you expect it.